Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop with Jake. You're becoming my frequent video partner here. This is all good. People like your deep baritone voice, so that's a good thing. And what we have here today is a printer accessory. It's a fanfold tray, and we got some crazy labels here too. So I was looking at your CAD drawings of this thing, Jake, and this printer is actually kind of embedded deep into a piece of equipment, but the customer still needed a way to have these RFID labels, once they're printed and encoded, actually drop into a fanfold catch tray, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and so we 3D printed this, and as I'm running my hand down here, I can feel the seams. It's in 3 pieces, but we made it so that they nest together. And we also made the ears of it so that our handy secret weapon 8020 would just slide right down and kind of consolidate this into one piece, right?
Yeah.
Also, this had to be static free, right?
Yeah, which is why we went 3D printing, so we could do the plastic.
Got it. Okay. So special plastic maybe for
that. Couldn't be conductive material.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. So, and the final thing here is kind of a nifty paddle there at the bottom, right? A handle. That, because when you're done, you've got this big unwieldy stack of labels, and you can just take, I'm calling it a spatula, take the spatula and pick them up and get them out of here, and then drop that back down on the bottom and start printing your next batch of labels. So everything here is kind of standard. I mean, Zebra RFID printer. I think there's a piece here that's part of the Zebra.
Yeah, it's another. Well, this is something we 3D printed as well.
Oh, this piece back here too. So this little ramp back here is ours
slide.
As well. Okay, cool. And it's mounted to our table here just to be able to show in this video. But again, it'll be. Is this an automotive customer?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Okay, yeah, but whatever the use case is, they've got these tracking tags, and there's more than just RFID in here. There's actually some kind of Bluetooth tag in there as well. And again, I mean, the customer, gosh, I'd love to use a Zebra printer, but to get it to work in my application, I need something kind of out of the box, out of the ordinary, not out of the box and out of the ordinary. So we designed and developed this, used our CAD software to draw it all up. I assume we sent those CAD drawings to the customer. They approved them. 3D printed the pieces in-house, again, including the paddle and the chutes. And now we're doing our own little caps. On the 8020. And then the rest of this is just our standard 8020 stuff.
And their machine, their frame's out of extrusion too, so it'll mount right to it.
So their frame is 8020, so they use our same secret weapon. That's
so
fantastic.
Blend right in.
Cool. Well, not a very long video, but and not a glamorous thing here, but just another example of, hey, how do we get this to work? Can EMP help us? You guys are a great engineering team. Jump in, design, develop something. This is reasonably priced. It's not crazy priced, and put a cost-effective solution together. So, if you know, it's hard to pigeonhole us because I can't say if you need a fanfold stack tray, call us. And yes, for sure. But really, if you need help with barcode scanning, label printing, machine vision, anything like that, RFID, we can put creative, cool solutions together. EMPTechGroup.com, always the best place to find us. Thanks for your time today.